So the south side of Sarasota County was hit pretty hard.
Missoula's Disaster and Emergency Services Deputy Coordinator Nick Holloway and his team of 10 people are stationed in Sarasota County, Florida, providing aid to those who have been affected by Hurricane Ian.
There's no electricity down there. Some of the roads and bridges are out. They're seeing riverine flooding that is still going up. They're still doing search and rescue operations. So those are the kinds of things we're seeing. A lot of wind damage as well.
The Montana All Hazards team has helped with all kinds of natural disasters. And this isn't their first time providing relief to Florida from a hurricane.
We were down here for Hurricane Michael, which was a Cat 5 hurricane in 2018.
They made their way to Florida not only because they want to help people, but because their hazard system is a universal one when it comes to providing aid in natural disasters. So they are there to support and bolster ongoing efforts like cleanup and search and rescue.
We all experience disasters from time to time, and right now Florida is experiencing a significant disaster.
In Missoula, Hannah Hislop, MTN News.